Just want to show you a little bit of a preview of the pistachio green front bedroom. We've got the beautiful floor molding in. I think this is 5 or 6 inches tall. All the walls are painted, the molding is painted. We got the wonderful brand new light fan up. We've got this 4-poster bed, queen size, off of a Facebook group or good neighbor group. I'm not quite sure which one. And my sister was kind enough to donate a beautiful rug that she was no longer wanting or needing. So this works beautifully and complements the walls. So it's a little rough, but we're on our way. I'm so excited that we're getting this room finally ready, and we'll be able to put guests in here. And we went to the mattress store yesterday and ordered a brand new queen size mattress, so we should have that next weekend. And we should be ready to rock and roll for guests.